A Fairy Friend, written by Sue Fleiss, illustrated by Claire Keene. Read by Miss St. Germain. There are fairies in the sky, all around you fairies fly. Flit and flutter, tumble, twirl, wind the wind blows, fairies swirl. Skip through flowers, zip through trees, hum and buzz among the bees. Friendly fairies soar the skies, ride the backs of dragonflies. Wings of fairies shimmer, spark, twinkle, glimmer in the dark. Shiny spots or wisps of light could be fairies in your sight. If you want a fairy friend, one who'll be there till the end, you must know where to look. Search in every niche and nook. Want to have one come to you? Here is what you'll need to do. Build a house of twigs and blooms, decorate her fairy rooms. Walls of blossoms, cotton floor, sparrow feather for her door. Mossy rooftop, pebble path, mushroom cap to take her bath, thistle fluff for fairy's bed, willow fuzz to rest her head. Make for her a fairy swing, tie a nutshell to a string. Cook a flower petal stew, serve it and she'll come to you. Very slowly tiptoe near, quiet, or she'll disappear. Gently offer out your hand, name your fairy and she'll land. While she's resting in your palm, whisper softly, keep her calm. She will teach you how to fly, sail with you through forest sky. Shower you with fairy charm, keep you safe from hurt and harm. Forever friends you two will be, fairy kin and fancy free. She will know that you believe, still all fairies have to leave. Do not trap her, let her be, lift her up and set her free. Time may pass while she's away, but do not let your heart dismay, for if you're thoughtful, kind, and true, your fairy will return to you. I hope you enjoyed this story. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more books like this one. Thanks for listening.